In the Your Success Advantage system, your path to success relies on being able to generate a large volume of high-quality visitors to the best converting funnels we give you. This means that becoming a traffic expert is the great way to get more results. When discussing website traffic, I like to use the analogy of a fire hose. Your job is to build the biggest flow of traffic possible through your fire hose. I will then direct you on where to point that hose that will generate the maximum number of subscribers in the system under you. Once someone subscribes, I take it from there, building a relationship, educating and motivating them to want to buy the products we promote, all with your affiliate links. So how do you create a really powerful fire hose of traffic to send to the highest converting lead funnels? It starts with understanding website traffic. There are 3 types of traffic: traffic you earn, traffic you control, and traffic that you own. All the traffic you generate will fall into one of these 3 categories. Which kind of traffic is best for you depends on some factors that we'll discuss later in this video. Traffic that you earn is the website traffic that comes from trading your time for traffic. This is great for people who have free time, but not as much money to spend on traffic. There are lots of ways to earn traffic. Posting in social media, search engine optimization, blogging, and exchange advertising like safe lists and traffic exchanges are all ways to earn traffic in the make money online space. All ways to earn traffic entail you spending time to get traffic. How much traffic you can generate will be dependent on how much time you spend. If you can only spend a few hours a week, then the volume of traffic and the size of your fire hose will be limited. This is the downside to earning traffic. We all only have 24 hours in the day, so there's always a limit on how much traffic you can earn. That being said, I know lots of people who can generate 1,000 to 3,000 visitors a day if they're committed to spending less leisure time, like watching TV, and using that time to generate traffic instead. If you're consistent over the longer term, that level of traffic can start to generate some income that you can reinvest back in your business by buying traffic to grow your results. The second type of traffic is traffic which you control. Most paid traffic falls into this category, as well as joint venture partnerships or having affiliates promote your own product for you. The traffic belongs to someone else, but you can cut a deal to control a certain amount of it. If you run an ad on Facebook, for example, you're paying for the ability to control some of the traffic they own from their community. That control allows you to send it to something that you want, like your product or your lead capture page. Traffic which you control is good for people who have some money to invest in your business or those with limited time. It takes a lot of time to earn traffic, but not nearly as much to set up the ads for traffic you control. The important note on paid traffic is the results that you will get from different advertising methods will vary widely. This means that you need to have good tracking so you can tell exactly the results you get from each purchase. If you're sending your traffic to a lead capture funnel to get email subscribers in the make money online space, then I like to shoot for paying no more than $2 or $3 per subscriber. If you buy a $50 ad, then I want you to get 20 to 25 subscribers from it. If you don't, then there's probably an issue with either the traffic source or the page you're promoting just doesn't convert well. The third type of traffic is traffic that you own. You own traffic when you've built up a community of people that you can contact and ask them to visit a site that you recommend. This could be an email list in an autoresponder program. You send them emails with links in them. They click the links, the traffic would be considered traffic that you own. If you have a large following on social media, then making posts with links in them to your audience would also be owned traffic. Traffic that you own is generally the best quality traffic. Since you have a relationship with these people, they're more likely to take your advice and sign up or buy. The goal of Your Success Advantage is to build up that community of people under you, and when I email them on your behalf, I'm creating traffic which you own that is going to affiliate offers where you can make a commission. Traffic like this which comes from people who know you, is called warm traffic. Traffic which comes from people who do not know who you are, like most earned or controlled traffic, is called cold traffic. The basic strategy regarding traffic in your online business should be to send all your cold traffic from strangers to only offers which build your email list. From that email list, you send emails to generate warm traffic, which gets sent to the offers that you want people to take action to sign up and buy. You turn strangers into subscribers, and then subscribers into customers. This is another way of stating what I said in the first video about turning strangers into friends and friends into customers. The most successful members in your Success Advantage send all their cold traffic to offers that build their list in the program. They let the program promote the actual offers that they make money from. A sure way to failure is to try to split your cold traffic over too many programs. You need to focus your cold traffic on what is building your list for the future. If you only have a small list, you're only going to have small results. Stay focused and build your long-term asset, not draining off traffic to try to make a quick buck by selling to strangers. It won't work, and you will have lost the opportunity to use that traffic to build your list in your Success Advantage, which will set back your progress. Only send cold traffic to offers which build a list that you control. One important fact to realize is that every person will generate traffic with a different mixture of earned, controlled, and owned traffic. You have to find the right mixture that works for your unique constraints of time, money, and other resources. Some people get all their traffic from earned sources. They spend lots of time and very little money to get traffic. Other people get all their traffic from paid sources. It takes less time, but you have to have some money to test sources out and to invest. Others may have big email lists, and they promote using just emails sent to that list. This is not a one-size-fits-all deal. You have to try different things and figure out the combination that works best for you. So how does your Success Advantage help you to create a powerful fire hose of great quality traffic? Let's take a look. Inside the Your Success Advantage members area, you'll find complete tracking of your traffic that you send to the lead funnels we provide for you. On the members area dashboard, you can see some basic statistics you want to keep an eye on. At the top of the page, you will see the number of people you've added to your list. You'll also see how many are prospects who I'm trying to sell to on your behalf, and how many are paid members who've become upgraded members at Your Success Advantage. In the right-hand column, you can also see the number of visitors you've sent each day for the last 7 days to the lead capture funnels, and the number of new prospects you've signed up each day. If you put your mouse over any of the bars in the graph, you can see the actual number of visitors or signups on that day. If you want to look at a longer period than 7 days, then you can click Promotion Tools in the left-hand navigation to open up the menu, and then click Statistics. This page shows similar graphs, but for the last 30 days instead of 7 days. In the Promotion Tools section, under the Statistics link, you'll also see links for 7, 14, and 30-day conversion stats. These reports give you a detailed breakdown of where your traffic came from in those time periods and how many prospects subscribed from each source. In the section at the top of the page, it'll display what the system-wide average for the conversions is for the last 30 days. In the case of the page you're looking at, it's 276 visitors per signup. This is all from traffic from all of the members in the last 30 days. Your goal should be to beat that average whenever possible by improving the quality of your traffic. Remember, the key to success in Your Success Advantage is to send high volumes of high-quality traffic. That's what leads to the most number of prospects that I can sell on your behalf. When you look at the list of sites on this page, it's ordered by total visitors. The site which sent the most visitors will be at the top. The site which sent you the least visitors will be at the bottom. Not all traffic can be tracked by our system, So some traffic will always show up as not trackable. If you mail your own email list, that traffic will probably show up in the system as not trackable. For example, the total amount of traffic from each site is only one factor you want to consider when looking at this report. You also want to look at how many conversions or signups you got from each site. If you take the total number of visitors and divide it by the number of signups, then that will give you the conversion rate for that site. For example, if you received 1,000 visitors and got 4 conversions, then your conversion rate for that site would be 1,000 divided by 4, or 250 visitors per signup. That's better than the average, so you want to try to get more traffic from that source. Knowing your conversion rates and traffic volumes from each of the different sites you use allows you to make sure that you're spending your time and money in places which offer the greatest results. If a site isn't performing, then you can spend less time on that site or no time at all, and instead spend that time trying to get more traffic from the sites that are converting well. A big mistake that many people make with regards to traffic sources is to get emotionally attached to particular sites or sources. Just because you've always used a particular site does not mean that you should continue to spend time there if it's not getting you results. Getting results is about doing what works, not using sites that you prefer or that you like. It isn't entertainment to earn free traffic. It has to serve a greater purpose of getting signups. You need the sites to have sent enough information to make analysis valid, though. If you've only received 200 visitors from a site, it's hard to use such a small piece of data to make an intelligent decision. If the average conversion rate's 250 visitors per signup, then you really need to get 500 to 1,000 visitors from a site to determine if it's really working for you. You have to keep coming back and reassessing all the sites on a regular basis. If you're generating 1,000 visitors a day to your lead capture pages, then you probably want to analyze your traffic once a week and make a decision about what traffic sources you're going to focus on for the next week. If you're generating less traffic, you might do this task once every 2 or 3 weeks in order to get enough information to see what has really changed. The site also gives you information to help you find new traffic sources that are working for other members to promote their funnels. In the left-hand navigation in the Promotion Tools section, you'll see links for the best converting sites and the lowest converting sites. This shows you the results across the traffic that the site is receiving from all the members that are promoting it. On the best converting sites list, you can see what sites are producing the best conversions for other members over the last 30 days. This listing shows the best converting sites at the top of the list. No site appears on the list unless it sent at least 500 visitors in the last 30 days. Each site listed has the domain name of the site, its average conversion rate, and links to join or log into the site. If your existing traffic sources are not converting very well, or you have more time to spend earning traffic, but want to only add proven sites, then this is a good place to look. That being said, you need to realize that just because these sites are performing very well for someone else is not a guarantee that you will get those same conversion rates. The people getting those conversion rates might be using different subject lines, headlines, or email copy. They might be using paid ads on the site, like login or solo ads that convert better than the free ads. This is a place to find things to try out. Once you've given a new site a thorough test, then you can see it in your own stats to decide if you want to keep using it. Marketing and generating traffic is all a series of experiments. You're constantly trying new traffic sources, new subject lines, new email copy, new ad types, all in the goal of creating that high volume, high quality traffic fire hose. Once you find something that works, you try to maximize it, but you keep trying new things too and watching your results. So you know when what's working now stops working, you have some other sources waiting in the wings to take its place. Now that you know how to optimize your traffic fire hose, you just need to know what to point it at. Just like a firefighter, you want to point the stream at whatever is the hottest. In this case, you want to send your traffic to whatever funnel has the highest conversions in turning website traffic into subscribers. We'll talk about that in the next video.